We will take everything we've learned in this class and apply that knowledge by creating an entire brand package for you or your company, which includes a logo mark, branding package, and several marketing items. You can also create this branding package for a fictitious company, similar to the logo design and branding example I did earlier in the class. Project 1. Create a logo for yourself or your company using Adobe Illustrator. Make the logo unique and refreshing, but also make sure it's practical and has several different variations for different platforms like digital and print. Project 2. Take your logo and create a branding guidelines manual and include your color palette, different logo variations and presentations, and other brand assets you can use to extend your brand's theme to other marketing materials. Project 3. Create a digital ad using Adobe Photoshop. Once you create your logo and brand guidelines, it's now time to apply it to a real-world project. Create a digital ad for a social media platform of your choice for your business. Include the visual image as well as the copy that you'll be using under the image. Make sure the visual portion of your ad fits well with the copy and call to actions. Remember to be authentic, real, and relational with your ads. Project 4. I want you to tackle a print project. Design an 8.5 by 11 inch flyer, or any size you'd like it to be for print, and create a cohesive, well-designed branded campaign. Find a nice balance with your headline and photo, although a photo might not even be necessary for your flyer. Advertise your services, your product, or your event with a clear call to action. Project 5. I want you to create a multiple-page PDF document that advertises your company and services or products. Use InDesign's amazing text wrap feature at least once in your document. I also encourage you to utilize master pages to quickly design the footer of each page of your document. Project 6. Crop and fine-tune your headshot in Adobe Photoshop. Every designer or small business owner needs a great headshot. Take a headshot or a pre-existing headshot and use your Photoshop skills to edit and crop your photo. The most important thing when building a design portfolio is to have fun with these personal projects. Feel free to experiment and show your own unique style to increase your chances of landing that next gig. I had a lot of fun teaching this graphic design course, and I hope you can take these skills and apply them to real-world projects, jobs, and land great opportunities.